Class 4th Standard Subject EVS Topic Lesson 1 Plants Preparing and Storing Food.
How green and beautiful is this tree? It is full of green leaves. Why are leaves green? Why do most plants and trees have green leaves? The presence of a substance called chlorophyll makes a leaf green. Only green leaves can make food for the plant or the tree. Since they contain chlorophyll, green leaves need air, water and sunlight to prepare food. A plant takes in water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. In the presence of sunlight, the green leaves change air and water into food in the form of sugar. Sunlight provides energy to these leaves for preparing food. Hence, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are needed by leaves to prepare food. What is photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Since sunlight is required to put water and carbon dioxide together to prepare food, this process is called photosynthesis. Second topic is parts of a leaf. Take a peepal leaf. Observe the lower surface of the leaf. You will see a main vein running along the center of the leaf. You will see a main vein running along the center of the leaf. It has a number of side veins. This is main vein, otherwise called midrib. Then this is side veins or otherwise called subveins. The main vein is called midrib. It is formed by a double pipeline structure. The main vein is formed by a double pipeline structure of cells. One pipeline carries water and minerals to all the cells of the leaf. Parts of a leaf. This is called stalk or petiole. Then the entire surface of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. The other carries prepared food from the green cells to the other parts of the plant. Next topic is stomata. On the underside of a leaf are tiny pores called stomata. During photosynthesis, a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through the stomata. Third topic. How do plants use their food? The food prepared by plants is in the form of simple sugar. It is used in a number of ways by the plant. It is used to get energy. Some of it used for growth. Extra food is stored in the form of starch in leaves, stems or roots. We eat that part of a plant which has food stored in it. Next topic is unusual plants. Some plants like the cactus don't have leaves. Where then is their food made? It is made in their green stems. Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. They don't have chlorophyll. They cannot make their food. They get their food from the dead and decaying plants and animals. The leaves of some plants like the croton have chlorophyll, but they appear dark red. This is because of the presence of a red substance that hides the green chlorophyll. Does photosynthesis takes place in such leaves? Yes, it does, because chlorophyll is present. Fourth topic is energy flow in living things. We need energy for every activity we do. This energy comes from food. This food is prepared by green plants. Green plants trap the sun's energy during photosynthesis to prepare food. This energy is passed on to humans and animals when they eat the plants. This way, energy flows from the sun to plants and then to animals and human beings. Last topic is balance in nature. A balance needs to be maintained between the number of plants and animals. What will happen if there is a sudden increase in the number of animals? Plants may not be able to supply enough food and oxygen to all the animals. Or if there is a sudden increase in the number of plants, the carbon dioxide breathed out by animals may not be enough for the plants. Similarly, if there is a sudden decrease in the numbers of either plants or animals, it will disrupt this balance in nature. To maintain this balance in nature, we have to protect both plants and animal life. Under wildlife protection programs, wild animals are given special protection in forest reserves, national parks and sanctuaries. Programs like Vana Mahotsava help promote the planting of trees. People are made aware of the harmful effects caused by the continuous cutting down of trees. If life on earth has to go on, a balance in nature must be maintained.
Thank you.